itong assurance na ibinibigay ni Bongbong Marcos ng ICC ay walang jurisdiction. Si Bongbong Marcos po ay consistent. Sinasabi niya talaga na ang ICC has no jurisdiction in the Philippines. So this is something that's positive sa ating mga DDS. Ibig sabihin, meron pa tayong liwanag na nakikita patungkol sa nakaambang ICC prosecution kay PRRD. Pakinggan natin to ng mabilis lang bago tayo magpunta kay Banatbay.
Mr. President, I understand you've already given your stand regarding the ICC probe, but 55% of Filipinos right now approve of the cooperation of the government with the ICC probe. Your thoughts on this? Is there a possibility that you change your stand with regards to this, considering that more Filipinos are approving of your cooperation?
Well, it opens a Pandora's box because again, it's still those questions of jurisdictions and sovereignty that I haven't yet seen a sufficient answer for. And until then, I do not recognize their jurisdiction in the Philippines. I cannot. That seems to be the only logical conclusion that we can come to in that situation.
But there's still a possibility that you will change your mind later on if you see more evidence.
No, it's not about the evidence. It's about the jurisdiction of the ICC in the Philippines. They can produce as much evidence as they want, but they cannot act upon it in the Philippines.
So yan yung sinasabi natin na itong media, ginagaslight talaga itong mga Marcos at ang mga Duterte. Gusto talaga ng media na pag-awayin silang dalawa. So, ginililito nila si Marcos dito. Eh kung halimbawa, makahanap sila ng mga ebidensya, sa tingin mo, magbabago isip mo? Sabi ni Marcos, hindi. Kasi hindi naman yan tungkol sa ebidensya. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, jurisdiction. Kaya may ebidensya sila kay wala, jurisdiction. Hindi sila taga rito, meron tayong sariling korte, at yun ang stand ng presidente ng Pilipinas. Pinipilit ito ng media kasi talagang ang media ay dilawan at gusto talaga ng media na talagang mawala ang mga Duterte sa kapangyarihan. Hindi nga actually sa kapangyarihan, mawala ang mga Duterte sa impluensya. So napakaganda nitong sinasabi ni PBBM na ito na kung talagang bukal ito sa puso niya, this is something really positive. Kaya ibinalita ko to.
That's the point.
But their presence here, you're approving of it.
I don't approve or deny it. But they haven't done anything illegal. Once they do, of course, we'll do something about it. But we are an open country. We're not a closed country. So sure, yeah.
Yun. So malinaw. They can always come here. They can do what they want. Pero we will not authorize it. We will not acknowledge it. Wala silang jurisdiction dito sa Pilipinas. Palakpakan. That is something na talagang pangahawakan namin na President BBM. Dahil again, matanda ng tatay namin at ang tatay Digong maganda ginawa sa Pilipinas. Ibalik naman natin sa kanya ng maganda. Yung, kumbaga, gantihan naman natin siya ng maganda doon sa kanyang mga maganda rin nagawa rito sa bayan natin.